Step number 1. Use the lifting tool to remove the print from the printer bed. Store the print on the finished print shelf. Place the 3D printing form underneath the print. To remove the plate, disengage the latches on the front corners of the plate, and then slide the plate towards you. Step number 2. Take the plate to room 1105 and rinse it in the sink with warm water. If need be, use the sponge to scrub the plate. Dry the plate off with paper towels so no water drips on the floors. Reinstall the plate by sliding it back into place. Secure the latches. Step number 3. Carefully tilt the printer 10 degrees forward and gently tap to reveal any hidden PLA. Return the printer back to its original position. Vacuum all visible areas of the inside of the printer. Remember to be thorough. Locate the Raise Build Plate option on the printer menu to raise the bed. Vacuum underneath the printer bed. Lower the build plate using the same menu. Step number 4. With a paper towel and rubbing alcohol, wipe the metal rails and the Z-axis rod. Apply machine oil to the X and Y axis rails. Apply the lube to the Z-axis rod. Access the Raise Build Plate menu once again to have the printer spread the lube. Step number 5. Locate the Level Build Plate option on the printer menu. Slide the calibration card between the build plate and the print head nozzle. Twist the back thumb wheel located under the build plate clockwise until you feel some resistance. The menu screen will tell you when to move the card. Follow the instructions given until you are done. And now you are finished. Great job on learning how to maintain the 3D printers.